Toastmasters District 42 presents Wisdom Whispers Within. Insights from district leaders.
We have the honor of speaking with and hearing from Debbie Stearns as we kick off our Wisdom Whispers Within. She is the visionary leader at the helm of District 42. With dedication and a steady hand, Debbie guides and supports leaders across all levels of the district. As part of our Wisdom Whispers Within series, we are excited to hear her reflections, her insights, and the wisdom she carries from her leadership journey. Welcome, Debbie. I'm excited to have you here. We'll get right to it, Debbie.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you for coming. What's one piece of advice you wish you had when you first stepped into leadership?
You do not have to have all the answers. Your job is to create an environment where others feel empowered and they want to grow. I wish I would have known that early on in my leadership career, thinking that I needed to have all the answers and not thinking that I could reach out for help. And that's one thing I would stress to leaders now. You do not have to have all the answers, and you are not alone.
That hits me like boom. You do not have all the answers, my goodness. Which Toastmasters core value do you lean on most when making leadership decisions? Please tell us, which of the core values?
Integrity. It is the foundation of trust, and without trust, your leadership crumbles. I always ask myself when I'm making a decision, is this the right thing to do? Is it fair? Am I being honest with myself and with others? Even if the choice is difficult or it is unpopular, it's important to lead with transparency and to stay true to myself and my values. Integrity keeps me grounded, and it ensures every action that I take is aligned with a greater purpose, not just momentary outcomes.
Thank you for sharing integrity. Now, what message would you share with a future leader who doubts themselves?
You do not have to feel 100% ready to lead. All you need is the willingness to grow. It's normal to self-doubt yourself and think that you're not ready now. You'll be ready in a couple of years from now. But leadership isn't about being perfect. It's about showing up, being authentic to others, and learning as you go. Sometimes, if you don't see the potential in yourself, others see it. People just need to take that step. Even if your voice shakes and you think you're not ready, you are more capable than you think you are. You just need to be ready to learn and to grow.
I am more capable than I think I am. Thank you, Debbie. Now, this is a fun bit and we'll be ending with this. Say the first thing that comes to mind to complete this thought. True leadership whispers when?
Others are yelling and shouting at you. You need to offer a calm, clarity, and courage in the noise.
Thank you so much, Debbie. It was fun listening to you, and glad I'm the first to hear this, and I'm taking loads of nuggets out of this. Thank you. It was nice having you here, Debbie. Thanks.
Thank you so much.
Do you want to gain skills and confidence as a leader? Learn more at toastmasters.org.